everybody, welcome back to another video with Triple B's. And look, today I'm doing something I've never done before. I've eaten it a whole bunch, but man, I've never cooked this. Today we're gonna do something a little different. It's gonna be some beef cheeks. I got a whole pack here from Sam's Club. This is about 6.5 pounds, which we probably only got about 4 pounds of actual cheek meat. But let's take this out the package and see what we got. But my first time, this right here should make it to where you have no problems doing something for the first time. So let's get this package open and we'll go from there. We'll open this pack without puncturing any of the cheek meat. All right, let's see what we got here. It's still a little frozen in the center. This is a very gnarly cut of meat. Yeah, there we go. Looks like we have 4 cheeks. So we're gonna get started on this. So basically, I mean, you see it's already kind of split open, and you can tell this isn't got a lot of meat on it. So you know that's not the cheek, that's just the extra sinew and cartilage and stuff like that. So the butcher has already kind of opened this up a little bit. So we are going to follow what the butcher did. We'll put that to the side, this piece as well. That. Take that off. Like that. That over here. One. Let's finish up what the butcher did. That over here. It really just looks like some really gnarly piece of stuff. We're going to take that off, touching anything. That right there. We're just going to trim this up and make it look nice. Is the fattier pieces. So we're just going to throw all this to the side. We're just going to trim it up, make it look nice. Well, this is how I'm gonna treat them like some little small briskets, man. That's what I'm gonna do. We got that. And that's a pretty piece of meat. And we're gonna make them pretty. And it looks like that was kind of tore into a little bit, but we'll make it work. So there's one. So as you see, we have 4 cheeks, and then we have all this. So this is what you're paying for. But rest assured, this stuff ain't gonna go to waste. We're gonna do barbacoa with this stuff. And what we're gonna do now is throw some pepper down on here. Just a little bit. But I like pepper on my beef. Bovine Bowl by Plowboys. Just like that. Nice little healthy coating. Make sure you get your edges. Over there. Just up under here. It can catch whatever drops off. And do just like that. Now I love this seasoning here. Seasoning's really good. All right, we're just gonna mop up some of this that's on this board, and there we have it. So I've already got the smoker going. I actually have a brisket in there, so y'all don't mind that. Y'all stay right there. Let's get it. And like I said, don't worry about the big old piece of meat that's sitting over there. We're going to throw these cheeks on. Something like here. Just like that. And we're running at about 275 degrees. It's gonna fluctuate a little bit, but 275 degrees is what I'm aiming for. Set it on there for about 2 hours, let it do its thing. So it's been 2 hours, and man, they're really good and firm. They got a really nice bark on them. Now it's time to get these things tenderized. Got this old vibey onion right here. Going in with chicken broth because I don't have any beef broth. Ill prepared, but you know what? It's all good. So I'm just getting it up about right there because we are going to pour that beef tallow right on top, just like that. Got a good seal because we want this to braise pretty good. And we'll continue cooking probably for the next 2 hours, and then I'll check it for probe tenderness. If it's real tender in 2 hours, then we'll go ahead and take it off. But if it's not, then we'll just keep going. It may take 2 hours, may take 3 hours, may take 4 hours. I think it's only gonna take like 2, maybe 3 hours at the most. We're gonna keep the temps at the same, right there at 275 through the whole thing. If you like watching these cooks that I do and put them out as much as I possibly can, so if y'all are gaining anything out of watching this video, now make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. That way, whenever I post, you'll get notified for future cooks. Man, so I'll bring y'all back when we go to pull these things off and they'll be done. We have a total of 6 hours on these beef cheeks. Let's pan down and see what they look like. Ooh, man, oh man. Oh yeah, they falling apart. I want this bite right here. Look, that right there is hard to beat. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now let's shred these things up because that's ridiculous. I know I say that all the time. This is my first time cooking beef cheek, but that is really good. It does not taste like brisket. It doesn't taste like beef ribs. It's got its own beefiness to it. Yeah, it just pulls apart. I mean, look at that right there. It's just juicy. Got that good bark on the outside, sticky and wonderful. We don't need no knife here. Take some of these onions right here. Put them onions off up in there like that. Now I can tell you this, it does not taste like pot roast. I will say it's close to a beef rib, but it's not quite a beef rib. It has more of collagen that's been broke down than a beef rib does. It's different. Look, man, I got to get on off of here because I'm going to wind up eating all this for dinner. Hey, look, if y'all enjoyed this cook, man, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on post notifications as well by hitting that little bell. And hey, look, share my content, man. I'm trying to grow a little bit so I can reach more people just like you, so I can help them in their backyard barbecue. But man, this has been a real fun little cook. Look, man, super simple, super easy. We're taking all the complications out of this barbecue, man. Look, appreciate y'all stopping by. Remember, burn rubber, not your meat. Get out there and cook something, baby.